Namaskar दोस्तों, myself Mukesh. Today I will explain about biopesticides, its uses, its advantage, disadvantage, types of biopesticide, insecticide. बायो का मीनिंग होता है इन्वॉल्विंग लाइफ फॉर लिविंग ऑर्गेनिज्म. पेस्टिसाइड का मतलब होता है इंक्लूड सब्सटेंस और मिक्सचर सब्सटेंस intent for preventing, destroying or controlling any pest. Biopesticide refer to introduction of any living organism such as microorganism including bacteria, fungi, nematode यानी स्मॉल स्ट्रक्चर जिनको माइक्रोस्कोप से देख सकते हैं अपन, उनको भी डिस्ट्रॉय कर सकते हैं बायोपेस्टिसाइड. इंसेक्टिसाइड वो होते हैं लाइक ट्राइकोडर्मा स्पीसीज, बैसिलस thuringiensis. फिर टाइप्स ऑफ बायोपेस्टिसाइड, माइक्रोबियल पेस्टिसाइड्स, प्लांट इनकॉर्पोरेटेड प्रोटेक्शंस, बायोकेमिकल पेस्टिसाइड्स, बोटानिकल पेस्टिसाइड, बायोटिक एजेंट, परसिस्टेंट एंड प्रीडेटर एंड पेरासिटॉइड्स. फिर अपन चलते हैं नेक्स्ट. वी विल एक्सप्लेन माइक्रोबियल पेस्टिसाइड यानी माइक्रो, जिनको अपन माइक्रोस्कोप से देख सकते हैं, यानी नेक्ड आई से अपन नहीं देख सकते हैं, लाइक लिविंग ऑर्गेनिज्म लाइक वायरस, बैक्टीरिया, फंगी, प्रोटोजोआ एक्सेट्रा. अप्लाइंग एट कन्वीनियंस इंसेक्टिसाइड स्प्रे डस्ट और ग्रेन्यूल, यानी डस्ट और ग्रेन्यूल, इट विल बी फॉर्म ऑन डस्ट एंड ग्रेन्यूल बोथ. Their greatest strength is their specific or most are essentially non-toxic and non-pathogenic enemy. It will be not toxic for any animal and any human beings. Essential microbial pesticide including insecticide, fungicide, herbicide, we can use in, it's a broad way. Pesticides यानी fungicide, we will control virus, bacteria, fungi, everything we can control. Then we will explain some of the important microbial pesticide. Bacillus thuringiensis. Bacillus thuringiensis was discovered in Japan early in 20th century, and it will be commercial produced in France 1938. Agrobacterium radiobacter is used for treat root during transplanting that check crown gall disease. It's a type of root disease in some crop. Plant incorporated protections. Pesticide substance that plant produce from the genetic material that has been added to that plant. As the pest feed such plant, they will eventually die. And that can be that pathogen will head that pesticide, then it will be die. Botanical pesticide, they are naturally occurring in plant parts ground to produce in dust powder. It can be used in full strength or dilute form in carriers such as clay, like etc. Important botanical pesticide, neem oil हो गया और रोटेनिन. Biochemical pesticide, there are naturally occurring substance to controlled pest by non-toxic mechanism. Biochemical यानी it's way of biological way we can control pesticide, like predator, parasitoids we can use like this. Biochemical pesticide include substances insect sex pheromones for trapping mechanism. It's like this, we can use. Therefore, with the mating, the attract specific insect pest or to trap. Biotic agent or natural enemies, predator, lady beetles, raw beetles, many ground beetles, lion's wings, parasitoids, trichoderma, like this, etc. Advantage, difficult for insect to develop resistance to these pesticides. It is a way of making resistance against a pesticide through by insects. It will be like a broad spectrum insecticide, like monocrotophos we can use. Then safe for natural enemies and higher organism. Biodegradable, it will main important theme is today biodegradable, it will not biofortification, like this thinking. Cheaper, renewable and can be handled safely. Often have other use like household insect, repollinators and our plants medicinal properties. Most are compatible with insecticide and microbial agents. It is advantage of biopesticide. Next we will go disadvantage. Slow effect. Disadvantage, main disadvantage is slow effect. It was not proper effective. Slow effect. It will be time consuming process, lack persistent and wild spectrum activity, rapidly degraded by UV light. So residual action is slow effective. Residual action. Effective dose is higher. It is 30 ml per 10 liter, especially in neem. We can use 30 milliliter per 10 ml per 10 liter, especially in neem. Seasonal availability of plant producer insecticide and need for their storage. Not easily available anywhere. Poor water solubility and are generally known systemic in nature, non-systemic in nature. Systemic or non-systemic, two type is there: insecticide, pesticide. In last slide I was explained that monoprotopas, it's a broad spectrum like insecticide. It will systemic or non-systemic, we can use both. One more is there, Bravo 5000. It is also insecticide. We can use for controlling insect in so many crops, agriculture crops. Thank you.